In this video, we're now going to install an authentication package called Laravel Breeze. So to do that, we can go back to our code. In here, let's open a new terminal interface. And then right here, let's start typing composer require Laravel / breeze with a Z -- dev. Click enter. Now this will begin the installation of Laravel Breeze. Alright, after Breeze is installed, we're now going to run this command php artisan breeze install. This is going to prompt us. Let's choose blade, the first one. Dark mode, no, we can use pest, and we're not going to do test anyway. So alrighty, awesome. Now as you can see, our breeze package is installed successfully, and with it comes with Tailwind pre-installed with us, which gives us an advantage since we won't have to install this manually. So that's an advantage. And then now let's try to migrate our database. PHP artisan migrate. But before we click enter, go to your env. In here, make sure that you put a password, and you can change the name. Here we can just say Instagram course. If you have a password, you can put a password here. In my case, I don't have, so you can just close this. Alright, now we can run this command here by PHP artisan migrate. Click enter. It's going to ask us to create a database for us. We can say yes. Alright, now our migration has been run. Now let's run two more commands. npm install, also npm run dev. Alright, awesome. Now if we go back to our website and refresh, you see that we now have login and register on the top right corner. Here we can just click register. Let's create a new account and use fake filler. And for this course, I highly recommend you install this fake filler, this extension. It's going to help us create and fill up our forms really quickly. So if you've installed that, you can now go back to our page. In here, you can just use a fake filler. You can see it's adding data for us really quickly. If I click register, awesome. Now we have successfully, created a new user for our application. And now one last thing before we close, we're not going to use a dashboard. So here, just go to the route service provider, this one. In here, after the redirect, let it be the root domain. Alright, just like that. So that after we log in, we'll be directed directly to this welcome page. And I'm going to fix that. I'm going to change this whole page later. So that's it for this video. See you in the next one.